Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. Today I'm going to show you how you can make delicious fried rice. Check, aka check. This is the ingredients you need for. And cook the rice. You're supposed to wash your rice before you cook it. The rice you are going to put for the fried rice shouldn't be too hard or soft. So don't put too much water on your rice. Add small salt and add small oil. Then cover it and put the fry pan you are going to use it. Add small oil. Add your vegetables, carrots, onions and green beans and stir it. Add the bell pepper to it. Add blended ginger and garlic also to it. Stir it. Add shrimp Maggi cube to it. Add vegetable bouillon to it. If you like it, you can. If you don't have it, don't mind. And stir it. Set the stove medium heat. Add the eggs. And stir it. And this is how your vegetable and egg supposed to be look before you add your rice. So add your rice, cooked rice. You see the rice didn't too soft, not too hard. You can see how my rice, I think it is very nice to do it. And you stir it. Add the soy sauce to it. Yeah, this is my soy sauce. I'm going to use it to mix it. Add small black pepper if you like it, but if you don't like pepper, leave it. And add your cabbage, carrot and spring onion to it. You see? Yeah. And the fire is supposed to be low, not too high. Supposed to medium to make your vegetables cook nice. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell there. And serve with your salad or shito, chicken or fish. Thanks for watching.